Good morning, Peter. How are you going today? Let's start our meeting on deciding the next perfect store location for CS Solutions. In this meeting, we'll decide on, we have to go through some background detail, some analysis, and ultimately conclude on which location is the best place to set up the store. So recently, CS Solutions has suffered from a decrease in profits. So we'll be focusing more on profits. In terms of deciding the best location. Because CS Solutions aims to expand the company, profitability becomes even more of a deciding factor in determining the location. And you, Peter, have given me this task in analyzing the data. My analysis surrounds the question of what is the best store location that CS Solutions should set up a new store in when we compare the 4 different locations: Hobart, Adelaide, Newcastle, and Wollongong. In my 4 analysis that I'll be explaining later, I've been analyzing quantitative data because all of them can't be counted, and there isn't any qualitative data that has been purchased by you. We have used installations, recruitment, competition, and profitability data. So in this slide, I've used bar charts to compare the recruitment data based on each location. And based on the results, Adelaide has the highest number of solar installers who are willing to move to different locations. Wollongong has the lowest average salary expectation of potential candidates. This is great, as then CS Solutions can reduce its employee expenses. I have used clustered bar charts here because we are comparing more data, as you can see in the legend. Adelaide over here has the most casual, full-time, and part-time workers. Adelaide has the most 1 to 2 years experienced workers, most 3 to 5 experienced workers, 3 to 5 years of experienced workers, and more than 5 years of experienced workers. In conclusion, based on recruitment data, Adelaide is the best place to hire talented workers from, and it has the most number of potential candidates in the talent pool. I have used a table in this slide to compare the different competition variables. For the category and sum revenue, Adelaide is the best place because it is the highest revenue, highest reported revenue. That means more profits for CS Solutions. For category and average customer rating, even though Wollongong has the lowest customer rating, it makes it the best location because the quality of the products and customer services isn't high, and with the help of CS Solutions quality products and services, not many competitors can beat them, which means there'll be more CS Solutions products will be more in demand. As for active competitors, the less the better, and Hobart and Newcastle has the lowest in terms of the active competitors. And in terms of the difference in revenue between residentially focused and commercially focused businesses, the less the better, because then you won't be relying on one of them to generate revenue and profits for the company. Adelaide is the best for this category. So in conclusion, based on our analysis, Adelaide is the best in terms of competition data. In terms of installation data, I've used a line chart to display the changes in the number of solar panels installed over the 52 weeks and forecasted the number in 2023. Because I do not want to bombard the slide with 4 different graphs, I've created a table to compare the total number of solar panels installed between the 4 locations. And Wollongong is the best location because it has 124,652 solar panels installed. And based on our forecast, that number will stay the same. I've done a profitability sensitivity analysis to decide the optimal installation discounts to get up the most profits for each location. And inclusion, Wollongong is the best place to set up a new store. It has the best total number of profits and overall profits when I have tweaked the slicer in Power BI. So in conclusion, Wollongong is better than Adelaide because CS they'll make more profits for CS Solutions, and overall they are better than Adelaide in more data categories. Even though I've narrowed it down to these two locations, Wollongong is the better place to set up a new store. Thank you.